how to fix your Snapchat app crashing in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So by the end of this video, you're going to understand all the steps you need to take to fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and try force closing your Snapchat application and then try opening it again. If that doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and restart your phone, which should go ahead and fix your problem. Your application might also not be the latest version. You want to simply go to your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and update it on time. If it's still not working, you might need to simply go to your profile settings and clear cache, or you could also check if there are any updates regarding your iOS or Android and simply go ahead and update it on time. Always make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, and if none of it works, simply go ahead and try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.